Dark clouds gathered over the forest. The wind whistled through the trees, bending branches and rustling leaves. Lowe, Lolly, Echo, Pep, and Bobu were walking home after a long day of exploring when the first thunder rumbled. "We should hurry," said Lowe, glancing at the sky. "A storm is coming fast." Pep, the clever monkey, leapt from branch to branch, laughing. "Don't worry, I can get home faster through the trees." Before anyone could stop him, Pep swung up high. But the wind grew stronger. Trees swayed wildly, and thunder cracked across the sky. Suddenly, a lightning flash split a large branch from a tree. It crashed down with a thud, and Pep was trapped underneath. "Pep!" shouted Lolly, running toward him. I'm stuck," cried Pep. The rain poured harder, and the water began to rise around the fallen tree. Bobu, the brave dog, barked loudly, his eyes full of determination. "We need to act fast," he said. "Echo, you guide us from above. Lowe, find something strong to lift the branch." Echo, the wise parrot, flew up into the rain, calling directions. "There's a rock nearby. Use it as a lever." Lowe nodded. "Lolly, help me move that branch when I count to 3. The friends worked together as the rain drenched them. The thunder roared, but they didn't stop. Lowe placed the rock carefully. Bobu pushed with all his strength, and Lolly helped lift the branch just enough. "Now, Pep, crawl out!" Echo shouted from above. Pep wriggled free, wet but safe. Everyone cheered. Lolly hugged Pep tightly. "Don't ever scare us like that again." Pep smiled weakly. "I thought I was being brave. But I think you all were the brave ones today." As the storm began to fade, a soft rainbow stretched across the sky. The friends stood together, soaked but happy, watching the colors shimmer through the mist. Lowe smiled and said, "Bravery isn't about doing dangerous things alone. It's about helping each other when things get tough." Echo nodded wisely. "And remember, bravery shines brightest in the darkest moments." The friends laughed, walking home under the fading storm, hearts warm and full of courage. Bravery shines brightest in the darkest moments. True courage means standing together, staying calm and helping others, even when fear and storms surround you.